Hey guys, Attacking Tin Cans here, and as most of you know, I hit 10,000 subscribers! And for my 10,000 subscriber special, I will be covering myself in Vagisil. But not just one, not two, not three, but 4 containers of Vagisil. Oh yeah, Vagisil deodorant powder, bitch. Patented odor block protection, same grade Vagisil powder, easy hold bottle, silky formula to help prevent chafing, light and fresh, 100% talc free, safe and gentle for everyday use. Directions: use daily after shower or bath. Sprinkle on panties or on other parts of the body as needed. I think I'm ready. 3, 2, 1. There we go, covered in head to toe in Vagisil. First off, I want to say some thank yous. First off, my friends who helped cover me in Vagisil: Jared, Kaylin, and Alicia. God, ow. And also I want to thank Josh Jetson, who is like my best friend on YouTube, for doing Project Stingray with me and helping me out tons. He's been really supportive and such a great friend. I'd like to thank Donna Bells for being my BFF girlfriend on YouTube. She's my homegirl. Yeah, represent. Bitches. I want to thank Lucagen, Pickle, Nintendo Capri Sun, Tenjamoop, Yoshida Mario, Kumax, and a few more that I'm probably forgetting. And I forgot you, I'm really sorry, but I still love you. It's really hard to think when you're covered in Vagisil. Well, time to wash this shit off. Well, there you go. Thanks for 10,000 subscribers. See you guys later. This is really cold. Totes burr.
One up, power up, already leveled up. I chose it the difficult, love it times typical. Read you to my enemies, kicking out so happily. Supernova bend you over to the lava game over. I'm saying yeah when I'm knocking you right off the stage. Bitch, you tape it out on play, smashing on my edit day. I am on a mission, trying to set up friends, attaching, smashing, knock out a convention.